Global rally or bubble? Markets are hitting new highs every week. Nifty above 25,000, Sensex near record levels, but global analysts are warning that we might be in a bubble soon. What does that mean for Indian investors? Let's decode this today. A bubble happens when stock prices are rise much faster than company earnings or economic growth, driven by FOMO and liquidity, not fundamentals. Just like the dot-com boom in 2000 or crypto rally in 2021. Let's go back in time. Isn't this the first time we have seen such overvaluations? 2000 dot-com bubble. Tech companies were trading at 100x P. No profits, only promises. 2008 housing crash. Too much leverage in the system, just like too much retail money now. In 2021, small cap boom. After COVID, cheap money flooded markets and small cap went from 2x, 3x. What happened later? A 30 to 40% correction. So every bull run feels like it will never end until it suddenly does. Another reason bubble form is human behavior. Retail investors often enter at the top when everyone is talking about stock profits. Right now, we are seeing record Demat account openings and huge inflows in small caps. But remember, smart money exists quietly while retail money rushes in. Let's quickly understand how you can spot overvaluations yourself. Look at PE ratio, price to earnings. If company's PE is much higher than its sector average, it's risky. For example, if company's earnings are growing at 10% but the stock is up 100%, that's a clear warning. So the big question is this the start of a correction or just a healthy pause? Right now some experts say AI and POC stocks might be showing early bubble signs. In the US, Nvidia lost nearly $600 billion in market cap in recent months as investors began questioning AI valuations. European markets are slowing and China's recovery is weak. Global liquidity might tighten again if US or global markets correct. India won't stay fully isolated. Global ETFs have already started profit booking in emerging markets. Nifty's PE ratio is around 22 to 24, higher than the long-term average. Mid-cap, small-cap indices have seen massive inflows, but some stocks trade at 70 to 80x earnings. Sectors like defense, railways, PSU are heavily priced in. Growth is real, but prices may have run ahead of fundamental. Don't panic, but don't chase momentum blindly. Shift part of your portfolio into quality, large cap, and defensive sectors. Use SIPs and staggered investing instead of lump sums. Keep an eye on corporate earnings and global interest rates. That's what will trigger the next move. Every bull run creates noise. Your job as an investor is to separate hype from value. So do you think Indian markets are in bubble or just a pause before the big rally? If you found this video helpful, then just like my video. Thank you for watching.